Hi guys, this is Prompt Engineer, and in this video we are going to look at MovieFactory, which is a wonderful paper. Using this you can convert your text prompts into videos. How cool is that? Now this paper uses these steps. So the first step is that you need to put your input text, and then as a first step the MovieFactory will use those input text, and using ChatGPT it will convert those input text into scripts. For example, scene 1 to scene n, it will convert n scripts, detailed scripts. The next step is the video generation for each of the scripts, and the third step is the generation of coherent audio for all those clips, and then you get a beautiful video using just the text input. Let us look at some examples. This is a magnificent meteor shower illuminating the night sky. This is a mesmerizing dance of flames in a crackling bonfire. How cool is that? A close-up shot of crashing ocean waves in slow motion. Beautiful. A mesmerizing display of fireworks bustling with vibrant colors. Amazing. Bioluminescent plankton lighting up the ocean waves. Can be better. A breathtaking view of the aurora borealis dancing in the night sky. Beautiful. A crackling bolt of lightning illuminating a dark, stormy cityscape. Batman. A time-lapse of a bustling city skyline with cars light at night. This is pretty good. A display of fireworks reflecting on the surface of a calm lake. Pretty good. A high-speed montage of crashing ocean waves on a sandy beach. This looks like a real video. A captivating shot of a turbulent river rushing through a narrow canyon. Pretty good. A time-lapse of a vibrant sunset hues over a serene countryside. Looks good. Let's look at some movie creations. So these are the scenes: An Adventure Day of Blue Elf. So these are the 5 scenes, and these are the next 5 scenes. So 10 scenes combined with music, combined with audio. These are the scenes. Looks pretty great. It's pretty good. We have 10 scenes here. And the sound effects are just stunning. The next is World Disaster and Animal Escape. We have 5 scenes here. The next 5 scenes. The last scene is Collapsing Glacier in a polar region. Scene 1, Scene 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pretty great. An astronaut space adventure. I sense some danger here. Okay. Fiery incident. So astronaut in space. There's fire. Pretty good. Mind you, these are in 360p. Imagine what it would be like in 1080p. Next is World Under the Sea. Looks like a good movie. Okay, under the sea. We are under the sea. That's a whale. Some accidents. Absolutely stunning. I'll put a link of the paper in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Until then, next time, this is Prompt Engineer.